Hey everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's in the evening, July 18th. I am soaking wet and the bugs are just unbelievable. But in case some unbelievable, mystery creature comes and gets my peaches tonight, I got to show you the peaches. I'm going to pick them tomorrow. I picked one a couple days ago and let it ripen up the rest of the way. It's a Georgia Belle. The other one is another variety. Can't see it till I take the wrappings off. It didn't make but one or two peaches, but this Georgia Belle made a lot of peaches. And bear in mind, we bought these plants at Growers Outlet last fall, I believe. I don't even think it was spring a year ago. I think it was fall. And I'm amazed that we've got this many peaches first year. And the taste was quite exceptional. There was nothing wrong with the taste. That one there is past due because the bees have moved in. Well, I may need to just go get them picked if the bees are starting to... Ooh, look at that. Bees have really moved into that one. Alright, I'm going to have to get the netting off and then I have to get these picked because they're getting too ripe. So I can't pick them and get the netting off and take a video, but I'll show you what I can after we're done. Well, the bees had already poked holes in a few of them, but I still ended up getting 18 peaches. And while we were at it, we noticed there was a few zucchinis we missed and an eggplant. And up here's another eggplant and lots of peppers. These are always wonderful to have. A mountain of tomatoes and a bunch more small ones. Not a bad picking for July 18th. We did forget to do the raspberries and the blackberries.